Hey everyone, I just thought we'd take some time just to go through a few of our other favourite things that we take camping, things that make our life easier when we're camping. So we'll just do a really quick video. Sorry about Snickers, he's obviously barking at something, I don't know, could be a leaf falling from a tree, goodness knows. But anyway, so I just wanted to run through some stuff really quickly. The first one is really, really good. So this is an Australian made company that actually do like, it's called the Standard Squeeze. So basically, if you're a spirit drinker, you can fill up your spirits in these and you can take them camping. So it's great. So then you don't have to take all the glass bottles and everything. What's really great about it is that you don't have to measure out your drinks. So if you're like me, who after a few gets a little bit heavy-handed, these things are fantastic because this little part here measures out exactly how much a shot is, and then you can actually, measure your drink sensibly, not like a crazy person like I do. So as you can see, we've got two of them because LT and I drink very different things. So LT likes Jim Beam or Jimmy. So this is his little one with his disgusting drink in it. And mine is whiskey. At the moment in here, I think is Scotch, just standard Scotch at the moment, but I'll show you how it works. So pretty much all you do, sorry about LT's, still not well, is you just crack the lid on the side where the actual shot is going to go, and you just give it a squeeze and it fills it up. So this one here is one of the bigger ones that they've got. So this is actually a double shot. So, oh well, that'll be all right. But yeah, I'm going to have a Scotch later, so I'll pour it into my drink and have a Scotch and dry, which will be amazing. The other things I wanted to show you is something that we never go camping without, because dead set here in Australia, I don't know where you're watching from, but the mosquitoes are terrible, or sandflies in the afternoon. So we've got this amazing thermocell. So this is the best thing that we've actually found to combat the mozzies and the sandflies and everything that we have here. It is very dirty. But it is a bit expensive, especially when you need to buy the refills, because this is like a little butane canister that you need to buy, and it goes for about 24 hours, I believe. So you just got to remember to turn it off when you go to bed. But the best thing about it is it has these little mats in here that you can stick in. They come with a packet of mats as well. But then you set it, and in 15 minutes you've got this whole big area of like a barrier from the mozzies and the midges and everything. It is the best thing that we have found. So we are looking at maybe upgrading this one, because there's other ones that you can get where you don't have to buy these butane canisters, which is the expensive part. So we're going to have a look at that. But we wanted to rate it because Thermacell, dead set, oops, don't hit yourself in the face with it. Thermacell is the best one that we have found. It works really, really good. So if you can get your hands on one of them, you should. The other thing which I didn't touch on in our last video, which is amazing, are these little things. So this basically is from Temu, would you believe? I think it was like $1.50 or something like that. It was very, very cheap. But what it does is actually clips onto your tent pole. So we bought about 6 of them. Here's one we prepared earlier. So we bought heaps of them, and basically you can hang anything you want off them. So LT, if we have forgotten the Thermacell, which we did last trip, he hangs mozzie coils off them, or you can hang your hat or your tea towels, lights, everything. They're really, really handy, and they just clip onto any tent pole. So they do get sold separately on Temu. So we bought 6, and we've even hung like hand sanitizer and stuff off them, just so then it's there and easy access. So if you can get yourself some of those, they're really, really handy. So highly recommend. The other thing we're going to touch on today is a little bit of a sensitive subject, but we're going to talk about toilets and how we actually run our toilets. We can take you around there so you can have a look if you'd like to, but what we do is we run a porta potty, which basically when it's LT and I, we use that for number 2s. And then we also run a thunderbox, which is basically a bucket with a toilet seat on it, and we use that for wheeze. So basically at the end of the night, we tip the wheeze out, spray it with vinegar, and therefore we're not actually filling up the porta potty cassette really quickly with liquid that perhaps we don't have a place to empty it in. So we like to actually Obviously, we do a lot of quick weekend trips where we don't want to fill the cassette up to the top because we take the cassette home and then we actually deal with it later once everything is all gone and not so disgusting anymore. So that's our hot tip, is that we have that Thunderbox is the brand that we have bought, but it basically is a bucket with a toilet seat on it. So, and it works great for us. Just to show you what we were talking about before, here is our setup of the porta potty and the Thunderbox together. So we just run the two of them all of the time, and there's all of our, hand sanitizers and sprays and toilet papers and stuff that we run. But it is a good setup, works for us, and we don't have to have an overflowing cassette in the porta potty. I forgot one really important thing, which comes with us every time that we go camping, and it has been a lifesaver, especially when we have the kids and then they've got like wet shorts or whatever when it is summertime. But this is an amazing portable clothesline. So basically we just hook it onto each of the poles. You can stretch it out as far as you want, and it actually packs up really, really small. So it's really good to be able to hang your tea towels or anything that you want out in the sun. So it's great because you can actually put it anywhere, and it does stretch a fair way. We've just got it between these two poles at the moment, but yeah. So this is another Temu purchase. This one here, really cheap again, but really, really handy, and it does not. It's never left at home, is what I'm saying. It's always in our camp box, and it has been a lifesaver many, many times. So I just wanted to add that one in. But yeah, I don't know. Is there anything else that we wanted to go through? I don't know. We have heaps of stuff. Please let us know if there's anything that you want us to run through. We'll keep these ones coming. LT needs to do a light one because he has got every light known to man and he knows which one's the best. But at the moment he's a bit under the weather, so he doesn't want to do the video until he's got his beautiful radio voice again. But anyway, so we'll catch you later. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if anyone wants a dash hound, please let us know because he barks a lot. No, we love him. We'll never get rid of him. He just is barking a lot right now. But anyway, thanks for watching.